Okay, I try to make this an informative short video for helping people, so less ranting, talking about all my binding search got me profiled. And dang-a-lang, everybody knows now everything about me. Okay, however, so everybody, not everybody, maybe some of you had this problem with VirtualBox Manager. You created a VirtualBox on a different operating system with a different version of VirtualBox, and now you want to open it up and it says error, can't open virtual machine, blah blah blah. So now we all throw us on the ground, cry, scream, embryo style, and nothing works. You know, we tried that with our parents in a supermarket when we wanted something, we couldn't get it. Does not work with Linux either. Dirk, you traitor, you're stealing Ubuntu. Yes, I am, and the reason is because the VirtualBox on Calculate is a little bit more advanced. So in this, what I have here, the virtual machine, is giving me this error. So that's why I needed to be here in Ubuntu to create errors. Isn't that funny? Holy moly! Oh, stay serious, Dirk, don't get carried away. Slap yourself. So here you go. You go to add your machine, then you go totally excited to your folder, which I put it in templates, and there's Dana's Win. Get into it, you click on it, and yeah, take it over. No, VirtualBox error, fail to open virtual machine located in the end of the world. So this is all blah blah blah, really doesn't tell you much. It only says no can do, right? So what do we know? This is the end of your virtual machine. But I have so many datas on it, I don't want to lose it, I installed so... Understandable. Here comes Dirk to the rescue. So what you got to do is, you say new machine. Recover... Oh, spelling. You see, talking and spelling. I'll work on it. Recover Win7. Why do you need Win7, Dirk? Because I've got Office installed on it and my driving instructor exam things what I have to do. 5 exams, guys, 5 times 1 hour. I wanted to do something today, didn't get there. So there's still a tomorrow coming, right? And I have to do it soon and I've got to start tomorrow. So I have to exercise some self-discipline in the near future. Maybe I start today. Here's Windows 7, Microsoft Windows 7, blah, blah, blah. So that's what I want. And it's a new machine, right? Create new machine, do not fear. So memory, of course, we take 496, that always looks good. Then here it goes, hard disk. Use an existing virtual hard disk file. So what we got to do here is we have to go out, because it's not in VirtualBox VMs. I put that on purpose in templates so that you see the difference. You go in your folder where your virtual machine is, choose the VDI, the virtual machine disk image, and then you say open. Fail to open the disk image. No, don't care. And you see that? Use an existing virtual machine. It says create. Do not fear. It will not overwrite. Oh, hold on. Oh yeah. Hold on. I want it. This is not nice. It was supposed to do this. I want a 40 gigabyte. Let's see if I have it. Let's go to storage. Windows 7 Pro VDI. Hard disk. So there are 2 now, right? So we have to go back. That I get the one from the template. So I just choose it. It gives me the same error message. I shouldn't have done this. Let's see. We got it anyway. So display we have set. System processors we need to. Motherboard, forget about the floppy, I think. Display, give it all, you never know. Enable 3D acceleration storage, we chose that. I don't know if it works. Audio is good network, we have to go and bridge it. Serial USB, forget about that. Shared folder, yes, we want it. We created one here, and we use it. Bang, there it is. Auto mount, off you go, job done. So now I don't know if it boots in this. It should. Because after you have done this, you can fire it up. I go in the full screen modus with Control F, right Control F, not the left, and then it should just fire it up. Yeah, so it should do it, and I trust it will do it. because I did it before. That's why I just copied that back and forward, and that was the way to go, because I couldn't add the machine. So I had to just create a new machine and use the old hard drive. No, Gerard, don't you know the password of your wife's Windows thingy? No, I do. It worked. So here it is. You see, I've got my Office package here, or better saying, the one for my wife. Here's behind the wheel. That's the assignment I have to do. I got to do it, and I will do it, and I have to do it in Windows, but I don't have to run Windows. I just run it in a virtual machine, get the job done, off I go, out of it. No more business with Windows as long as possible, right? And as you can see, I had to install Adobe Reader for it, otherwise it's not functioning fully. Okay, so now I shut it down, and this was it. That's actually a really short video, right? So next time, you know, if you have a virtual machine which can't be read, when you add the machine, which can happen, so all you have to do is go get a new machine, and we go one more time, call it whatever, blah blah blah, then whatever it was before, let's forget about this, use existing virtual hard drive, go there, template file, see, I had it here, okay, go there, choose it, then it says create. It will not overwrite if you go and use an existing virtual hard disk. So it just means create the machine. It doesn't really mean create a new virtual hard drive so that it overwrites your data. So do not fear. That's the trick. That's how you got to do it. And you should be able to run your virtual machine then again without any trouble. So in my virtual machine box here, there it is. There it should be. It takes a little moment. Here I got the ignore message. I could say do not show, but I want to have a look one day. So here now I just go and say remove. So remove only, because I've got here my copy, and I just go and delete the whole thing out of my templates folder. That's where I had it. So here's Windows 7 Pro, Windows 7 Danax, Ubuntu. So I know it works here, because I still have the ordinary Windows 7, and that is not Ubuntu. And here's my Corora install, and here's a Windows 7 Pro where I got World of Tanks installed, where I do all my little mods, and then I just copied over through the shared folder to my Linux versions, right? This was it. I keep that this video very short. So if you have trouble to add your virtual machine into the VirtualBox manager from any application you have or any operating system you use, if you can't do it with add, which often happens, just go, by the way, these are all empty, Corora Lite, and that's all empty. That's what I had planned to do. So you just can't add it, not a problem, just go and say new. And then again, you just give it a name, say what it is, and stats, then you give it memory, whatever you want. And instead of creating or do not add a virtual hard disk, just use an existing virtual hard disk file, right? If it for some reason would not let you create it, what I haven't encountered yet, you can just create a machine without a hard drive and later add on your special VDI hard drive, right? The virtual disk image. And then you're good to go. So that should sort out some problems. I hope you guys are alright. Log snapshot, because I just did something here. Take a snapshot of the current system. That means do it now. What did I do? Behind the rear. I haven't done it yet. Snapshot before, behind, oops. Because I changed something. I installed this Adobe Reader. And I know why I did this here. So snapshot done, all good now. Current state, that's where we go. If you want to go back, you go back to the snapshot. So that's especially good in the VirtualBox because Windows is just a virus magnet. It's spyware by itself, so don't you worry to get rid of spyware. You can get rid of it. As I mentioned, I think you can put a Windows ISO or a Windows disk in a drawer under your desk or somewhere, and you have a safe Windows thing. You install it, you're not safe anymore. It's, in my opinion, in my simple man opinion, it's spyware by itself, and it collects viruses. It's just a sponge for viruses. So this was it, guys. That's how you get your VirtualBox running, your machine running, even if the VirtualBox doesn't want to add it. So I hope that helps at least one person, that it was worthwhile doing this video. I'll keep it short this time. No surprise, Dirk, you really keep it short. Are you really finishing up? Yes, I do. And I will do my video, what I promised to do, about calculate Linux installation. Then there's a video coming what I call calculate Linux or what. Then there's another video coming about distro hopping done right. Because lots of people, they just go on and on and on and put different distros on. But you need at least one computer you can work with, right? And if you just have one computer and you want to do distro hopping, that's not a big deal. You can do that safe and sound. You don't have to worry about a thing. But there are a few things to consider. And that's what I hopefully explain right. So that we all can enjoy a little bit distro hopping. Ooh, look at this. I should have switched to this picture, right? I mean, yeah. Pictures say more than 1,000 words. I'm not too sure if that is going on. I would like to see it in my video thumbnails. So, come on, show it. I hope it will do. Yeah, stay tuned. I hope you like this little videos. I kept that really short and no rant, I think. And yes, I got X-rate from my viewers, which is pretty cool. As I said, I hope I'm helping people here. This channel will not be monetized. It's not for making money, it's for paying back to the community. The community helped me, now I'm helping the community. Because we have Midfinger is one of the YouTubers where I was subscribed to, but he died. So yeah, even Linux users do die. So yeah, I'm Christian, so I have eternal life, but not here for now in this body. Does it mean, Dirk, you're going to die one day? Most likely. If I don't get raptured, then yeah. And you see I don't have a video camera, so that I don't want you to watch the videos just for my looks. So maybe one day I'll put a video camera on. I hope nobody remembers this video anymore. Okay guys, yeah, at least I had fun. Yeah, when people say, Dirk, you make the videos that long. Yes, I do. I value your time, guys. That's why I try to separate a little bit the informative videos with the ranting and more entertaining videos, I guess. I also value my time, so if I spend the time to make the video, then I really believe it's worthwhile doing it. And if I have something which extends this video, which I try sometimes not to do, like I did right now, then I think it's worthwhile doing it. It's worthwhile my time, and hopefully it will be worthwhile for your time too. Because I make lots of jokes, but some are not that funny, right? So if you have somebody spying on you, that's not funny. It's not really a joke. Yeah, we laugh about it, but it's not a joke. So this is it before I get carried away, guys. Stay tuned. So next video is how to install Calculate Linux my way, which is, I think, the safest way you can do with any distro. It works with every distro. Any distro you can do, you will be safe and sound. And if you go multi-booting systems, that's the way to go too, because you can't make any mistakes really with it, not much. Once I show that, you will see what I'm talking about. And okay, I will go closer into it when I go into distro hopping done right? So I will explain that a little bit too, but it comes already up in the next video, which is calculate Linux installation, easy and fine. Okay guys, have a good day, and I hope you liked the video. The last video was 45 minutes. I did not believe it is that long. So no surprise, not too many people watch it to the end. I still think there's some stuff which comes to the end, which is funny. However, this is it. I have to switch this off, otherwise that takes you another hour just like that. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Let me know what you like. If you like it, if it helps somebody, I would be great to know that it helped. Okay guys, have a good day. See you soon. Bye bye.